Hello, St. John of the Desert Melkite Catholic Church. My brothers and sisters, we have updated our website, and today I wanted to take you for a quick overview and a couple of items that I think are very helpful on our new website. Here we have the homepage of our website. It's still at www.stjohnofthedesert.com. And we have the menus up top. We have the welcome message. We have our service times and upcoming events. Down here we have a few buttons that I think are important for everyone. This first button is to support our parish. If you're not doing online giving and you would like to do online giving for your weekly tithe, you can set that up here. If you want to request a Divine Liturgy, it's this button here. If you want to find out how to donate to our church expansion fund, whether it's through online or check or through other options, you can click on this button. And currently right now we have a button for our women's retreat. If you have not signed up, you can sign up here. But a couple of things I wanted to go over was, one is how to request Divine Liturgy. You click on this button here, or up here under the worship menu item, you have also request a Divine Liturgy. Either one will take you to the same place. Here we have the form you need to fill out for that. So first you just put your information into the form, and then who you want to pray for, and then the type of offering. And so if you're offering a memorial, a janaz, or a remembrance, or for the health and salvation. Now, if you want to do something for a special event or some other thing, you can click other here and put, birthday or anniversary or whatever you want. It doesn't matter. After that, you just pick the Sunday that you would like upcoming. You just click in here, it brings up a calendar for you. You can move ahead as far as you want. For example, I could pick October 12th. And then you have the option to send a card in the mail. If you're not sending a card, you can just say no. If you'd like to send a card, you can say yes. And then if you're going to send a card, obviously you can send a card to the person and put it here. And then you click submit. And when you click the submit button, if you haven't filled out one of the required fields, it'll tell you, please give us some more information. But if you've done everything, you click submit, and you get this nice little thank you for submitting your request, and then click here to make a stole offering. So this is where you would make an offering based on your whether you're doing a memorial or health and salvation, and you can choose how much to donate for your stipend. You click the button, and right away it's going to take you to the Flocknote entry to enter your information. And you can choose whether you want to do $10, $100. You can even make it recurring if you want. Again, this is for the stole offering for the service. And then after that, you put in your contact information. After you hit next. And then you choose a phone or email that you like. And it looks you up in our system. And if you have payment information, it'll add it. If not, you can add your credit card or debit card or even bank account and make your payment. And you're done. That's it. You'll submit and you'll be done. Now the other thing I wanted to show you on our website, which I think is very exciting, is under events and news, you have something called calendar. When you click on the calendar, it's going to give you a monthly view of what's going on in the church. And we'll continue to update this with more information as we go. But for example, right now we're September 25th. This Sunday of September, we're September 27th, and this Sunday, you can click on the 28th if you like. We have the Divine Liturgy and the Forerunner program. Now, if you look in October, you can see all the different things on Sundays. You can see the crafty ladies, the busy kids. You can see our Beauty for Ashes on Saturday for our ladies retreat. So you can see all the things that are going on, when the services are, and sometimes we'll provide information on the actual day of the event. So if you were to click on it, sometimes we'll have the readings for the Divine Liturgy or more information as we continue to update the calendar. What I like about this calendar is you can always just click this little button here and you can print the event list, which is just a list of items. You can print the actual calendar, so you get this kind of view. You'll be able to print the calendar. Or you can sync it to your own calendar. So if you use a Google or an Outlook type calendar, you can add this calendar to your calendar so it would appear on your own personal calendar, any of the events of the church that are going on. So there's lots of other things to see. Feel free to come in and click on things. And if you have questions or suggestions, please let us know. This is for you guys to use. Take care. God bless everyone. And I hope this is a good resource for us going into the future.